In the trade of the month for April, I'm going to show you two trades actually. The first one is on semiconductor. The symbol is ON. There are a few reasons why I took this trade, but just on the most simple level, we can see it's broken down from a trend line from about a 3-week sideways range. So that was the price at 40.10 where we sold short. Let's see what happened. Went sideways and then boom, dropped nicely. And that was the target there at 36.50. So it reached that target 3 days after the date of the entry signal. And that was a nice little profit there. Now, the important point I want to bring out here is look what happened to the share after we got out. So we entered there and we got out there. We sold short, kept dropping quite sharply. It even came down to a low of about 31.40. The point is, a trader will often beat himself up. Oh, I wish I would have got out right at the low. I can't believe I took profit so soon. That's a big mistake. The fact that you got a nice profit there was almost a 9% gain in just a few days. That's great. You've got your profit, you've banked your profit. The fact that it kept going down afterwards is totally irrelevant. The aim here is to make profits and not to catch every single last tick. The next trade, very similar trade, UPS, the well-known delivery courier company in America. And the trade was to sell short on the same day, 31st of March, at a level of 108.85. And the target was 102.50 or the next Friday's close, whichever happened first. And let's see what happened. So similar, went sideways for 2 days and then had a nice steep drop, hitting that 102.50 target very nicely. Again, this was a nice profit here. This time of about 5.8%, again in 3 days. You'll notice what happened after it hit the target. It continued dropping quite sharply as well. And again, it's the same point I want to make, is the fact that it continued moving in your direction after you got out is totally irrelevant. You banked a very nice short-term trade here. 5.8% in 3 days is a very nice move, particularly given that it's unleveraged. If you want to leverage it, let's say via a CFD, obviously it would be a significantly higher amount percentage-wise. I should mention that these trades are sent out via WhatsApp for free. If you'd like to receive these trades for free, feel free to click on the link below and we'll add you to the list. They are very simple and straightforward. Please click subscribe to be notified whenever a new video comes out. And we look forward to having you on board. Bye for now.